Long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a little productive vlog. I just got my Starbucks. I treated myself to a $7 drink. I got a grande iced white chocolate mocha or white mocha, and then cream, or what is it called? Sweet cream foam with extra caramel drizzle, iced of course. I thought I didn't say ice and I was like freaking out because I was like, oh my god, no, I'm not gonna drink this if it's hot, because it's like literally, what is the heat index? I don't know. It's like 90 degrees. But it's literally so good. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably gonna hurt my stomach a lot later, but it's a really good drink. So it's more like a drink if you're trying to treat yourself. That's the vibe you go for. I just have had a very weird day. I woke up and I was just feeling so unmotivated, and I've done actually nothing today. I had class at 8:30 on Zoom, so I went and did that on Zoom. I did my notes, and then I put my laptop down and I started watching YouTube, and then I fell asleep again until like 12, and then I got up. It's now 2:45. This is just me being real. I got up and I like still didn't do anything, and then I was like, I need a shower. So I got up and I showered. And then my hair's still a little bit wet, but so I got up and showered, and then I threw on a t-shirt and some shorts, and I was like, I'm gonna go get Starbucks, and then I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna do some chores, and then we'll see how the day progresses. I'll show you guys what I eat for dinner, all that stuff. So it's more just like a day in the life of an online college student. Tuesdays and Thursdays I have class till 2:45. But on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I only have my 8:30 class. So these days are a little, I try to get stuff done, but it's just kind of hard sometimes. And maybe I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of my organization, my schedule, my calendar, what that looks like. Oh, it's outside. And kind of show you guys what that's all about. So for now, I'm just gonna drive, and I'll vlog while I drive for a little bit. We will start my day at 3 o'clock. So I actually do have a crap ton of homework to do. So I definitely am going to show you guys me doing my homework for a bit of the time. I also have to do so much chores. I have so many things to put away, so many things to organize. I don't know what this is gonna end up being, but doing it vlog style, because I think that's more the style I want to do. A little bit more like realistic, because I just enjoy watching people's vlog channels more, because I just feel like the videos shows their personality a lot more, and like shows realistic, like what their life actually looks like their dirty drawers and their amount of laundry they have. And for me as a college student and also in a sorority, like it just makes more sense for me to do more of a vlog style, especially if I want to do like put days together. I can do that easier, and like it'll just end up better. Okay, so the drive to this Starbucks that I just went to is actually so much shorter than the drive to the other Starbucks, which I used to go to, but then I figured out there's this Starbucks and it's so much closer to campus. I just love having my phone sitting on this like car tripod thing and just everyone just staring at me. The roads here are so bumpy that this tripod thing just always wants to like get rid of my phone. It just doesn't hold very well on this tripod, and I think it's very unsafe to have my phone anywhere else but on the tripod, and it's really hard for it to stay because the roads here are so dang windy and bumpy, because the phone just goes like this the whole way home, and you're probably thinking that right now. Alright, so I'm gonna find a parking spot. It's always a struggle. We're gonna take our chances with the first floor, even though I'm like pretty positive we're not gonna find a spot. Wish me luck. You're lying. Oh. Sorry. You're not allowed to come this way. There's signs for a reason. On I got a pack of 3 really cute masks for only $10 for 3, like super cute, and they have adjustable ears and everything. It's time to go back to the dorm, so I will catch you guys when I'm back at the dorm room because it's a pretty far walk. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like. It's not pretty, and then I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod and stuff like that. So when you walk in, I have some shoes there, and then this is my like mask situation, and I have this disaster. This is fine. This is my closet, like that's all good, but like this needs to be fixed. This is my biggest mess. This is just a bunch of clean stuff and just random things on there. And then these bins are pretty organized for the most part. Like this is just my scrunchies and stuff like that. And I need to throw garbage away, clearly. And then I have clean towels and dirty pants on the floor. And then I need to make my bed and fix up my desk just a little bit. Let's start that. So here's the progress we've made so far. And I was trying to hang up this flag, so I ended the time lapse because I just wanted to figure it out. It's a little lopsided, so I'm gonna fix it now that I'm looking at it. I kind of cleared this off. I had to put all those t-shirts in this drawer over here, and I made my bed a little bit. This needs to be fixed. Just I've been messing around on the bed, so I took all of this stuff down, and now let me just rip these off. I have all these streamer things down. So I didn't know how to stick it up there, so I ended up using this sticky tack stuff, and it actually works really, really well. So if you're trying to hang a flag or anything like that, you should definitely try to use the sticky stuff. Look, it's so lopsided. You can't really tell, but yeah, definitely need to fix that. Okay, so I just vacuumed my room. Now I'm gonna clean this thing. So I have this like craft box that I brought to school with me, but I recently just got a bunch of paints. So now I need to like organize it and make it make more sense. And if it doesn't all fit, I have like one more small container that I can use. So yeah, let's get to cleaning this. Okay, so I know it still looks like, that was gross. Anyways, so I know it looks like there's still a lot of chaos going on back there, but that's just the way it has to look. I decided not to do the whole curtain thing because at the end of the day, I just knew I wasn't going to use them. I'm thinking I'm going to start a little bit of homework, and I will kind of show you guys like my planner and that kind of stuff. I probably should eat lunch, but I'm just really not that hungry right now, so maybe about 30 minutes, an hour-ish, I'll eat lunch. Let me show you guys what I got going on for today's homework. I have my computer right here, and then I also have my planner. This is what my planner looks like. It's nice and big. And I just recently figured out a system that works for me, and if you want me to do a video on that, I definitely will. It's already on my list of videos to do, so if you just want it sooner rather than later, I got you. If we flip over to this week, today is Wednesday, so I have a draft that I need to do, and then I have 2 math assignments that I need to do. I took my lecture notes for my sociology course already, but I definitely, or for my communications course, I have done my lecture notes already. And then I already did my lecture notes for my sociology class, but I do have a discussion post due, and I also have, I'm pretty sure, a journal due for that class as well. Looking ahead, this is what my planner looks like. I have it all color-coded by class, and it also goes with my computer. My math course is purple on my computer, so I have a purple my planner, so on and so forth. So I think I'm gonna look through all my assignments and then see which one I think requires the most time. I want to get all these things done before Friday. So yeah. Okay, so that assignment took a lot longer than I expected. Right now I'm actually working on making an intro and outro that I like better than what I've had. I just want it to be something I like. So I'm right now using Adobe Spark. I think I'm gonna edit what I have so that I can delete them off my phone so that I have storage for more videos. But I also am probably gonna have some dinner in about 20 minutes. Probably gonna make a quesadilla. All right, so that's our little update, and yeah. Alright, so I just uploaded these. I just finished editing some of the audio and the lighting in it, so I'm gonna upload just as I go, and I can edit faster and more efficiently. But I'm definitely getting hungry, so I'm gonna go make a quesadilla. Then we're gonna see what's after that. So basically, I'm not gonna vlog making the quesadilla because one, my roommates are home, 2, the sink is disgusting and I'm gonna wash the dishes. It's just, yeah, okay. All right, so I just made 2 quesadillas. They're like on corn tortillas, so they're kind of small. And I was in the middle of doing dishes, so I'm gonna go back to doing dishes after I eat. This fridge is disastrous. No offense to my roommates or myself, because it's me too, but like disastrous, for lack of better words. So I'm gonna organize it. Then if it's still early enough, I'm gonna run to the store and I'm gonna buy paper towels, and I'm going to buy, there was something else we needed. So yeah. Okay, so I finished eating, so now I'm going to finish doing the dishes, and then I'm going to clean out the fridge. I could probably like set it right here and just do like another little time-lapse moment. So my game plan for the fridge is to just use the compartments kind of like what they're made for, and all the stuff that's bad, I'm gonna obviously throw it out. Like I have this Chick-fil-A in there that's bad. Like just why is it still in here? It's been in here for weeks now. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then show you guys the after. Okay, that actually took like 0 time. So I just put sauces in there. I made like, I don't know what this shelf is, but then this is like butter, cream cheese, and then Chick-fil-A sauce. The leftovers on the top shelf. And then I have my yogurt up there too, drinks, and then we'll put water here when we get it, because we're almost out of water. Have one left over here, and then I just have milk. But I don't know if Katie wants to throw that out yet or not. And then this is a drawer literally just full of all our cheeses, Parmesan cheese, block cheese, and then potatoes. Much more organized. I literally know it's not perfect, but it is so much better than how it looked before, so yeah. Okay, so that is the end of my vlog today. I'll be posting again next week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of video. I'm gonna go wind down, eat some ice cream, and definitely just relax now because I'd say I got a lot done today. But yeah, so I hope y'all have an awesome rest of your week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!